Hey guys, this is Johani. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a haul video. This has been long overdue honestly because I've been wanting to film a haul of all the things that I bought in London, which was back in Jan. So it's literally 2 months late. But by now I have bought more things and I've also been gifted a lot of cute things for the summer season by my favorite brands here in India. So you guys can definitely shop those pieces if you like as well. Let me show you all the products that I bought and that I've been loving of late. Let's start with shoes. So while I was in London, we were at I think JD Sports, and because I was there during Christmas, a lot of sale was going on naturally, and I got some sick pair of shoes, and I got a pretty good deal. I didn't buy a lot of clothes while I was there. I just bought like makeup and accessories and shoes because I feel like I have too many clothes already. But I did get this really cute PJ set, which has like polka prints all over it, and I'm honestly obsessed with it. This is from Primark. So I got the pink Nike Cortez. The way baby pink has blown up, I feel like this was a really good purchase. And just Cortez in general, I haven't been loving like Nike silhouettes of late, but this is such a cute design, and I feel like it also elongates your leg because it's not super chunky. I love the color palette that it has here as well. But this baby pink has my heart, and the swoosh is also like leather, which I love. So I got these on cloud sneakers, and they are quite comfortable because the sole's like hella thick, but it's like exactly my size, and I usually prefer sizing up in sneakers because that's just like not comfortable for me. Also, I feel like in terms of like looks, it's not that cute. It's just good for like functionality, I suppose. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably already know that I bought my first luxury pair of heels, and they're from Versace. I have like a whole unboxing video on my Instagram. So I was in Bicester Village and I was not planning to buy Versace heels. Like I was honestly window shopping in every store because I was so excited because a lot of the brands I was seeing their stuff in hand for the first time. So that was really exciting for me. I'm going to Versace and I saw like this pair of heels. And Versace obviously is known for gold, and black and gold is like their classic logo. I wear silver all the time. So I saw these pair of heels and I saw them in white as well, and they were much higher. They were I think like 2 inches higher than this. This looked so good. I can wear it literally with like most of like my fancy clothes, and they're not like extremely comfortable because I think the first time that I wore it I got a shoe bite, but that also happens in like every shoe that I wear. So I think if I just put like a band-aid on the back, I'd be good to go for like hours in this because the heel is also hella comfy. I just love how sleek and sexy these pair look, like with the classic emblem. The next pair that I bought are these denim heels with like a belt detailing. These are from Bershka, and these are actually my sister's heels. I actually do not love the design of it, but in terms of comfort, it is so fab. And just because it's like black and denim, it goes with a lot of things. Belt detailing in accessories is just so big right now. So I love heels which are like mules, and I can just like put my feet in. Got are these loafers from Primark actually. This burgundy dark brown shade. I feel like they look really good to like jazz up a normal outfit instead of like black loafers. I thought like this color was really interesting, and I like loafers with minimal detailing. So the fact that this is so simple and sleek works for me. The next pair that I got are these ballet flats. Again, they're baby pink. I got them from Zara, just like an everyday flat situation when I'm stepping down or like for errands to wear something cute. Let's talk clothes. This was my dad's first time going to a Primark, and he went so crazy that we ended up going to Primark 3 times in our entire trip, which was a bit too much. Like we literally went with suitcases, which is like literally so Indian of us. But to be honest, like the prices are so cheap. Anyways, I picked up a few things as well. I got these yoga pants in a cute nude shade, and they're extremely comfortable. They're a bit long for me and I need to get it altered. I recently also got this butter yellow striped shirt from Bershka. Honestly, guys, with the Bombay heat, the weather's gotten so bad, but this shirt is extremely soft. Like the fabric is so good. It snatches me. The length is perfect, and I absolutely love the sleeve. It's not like a typical like shirt sleeve. It's slightly like flared, And I just love that detailing. It's so cute. And I can wear it as is. I can even layer it with the tank and it's good to go. I've started doing like Pilates of late. So I've been buying a lot of like workout outfits as well. Let me show you what I got. I got the wrap top, which I love the fact that this can be worn in so many ways. Like I can wear it like layered on like a sports bra or a tank top while commuting or while working out, but I can also wear it like a top if I wear it the other way around, or just like with a bra I can wear it like a wrap top and it looks really hot. I am such a yoga pant girly. I prefer those over like skinny leggings because I just feel like it works better for my body type and it looks cuter, and I can wear it apart from just working out as well, which is what I like. I got these from H&M again. Very comfortable. Even though this is white, it's not see-through, which I love. I got this cute baby tee from H&M again, and it says Milano. This is just the perfect fit of t-shirt for me. I don't like baby tees that are too short in length. This ends, I think, just at my belly button length, which is perfect to wear with like mid-waist or high-waist jeans. And it's so comfortable. I love the detailing because it's like it's almost like a velvet print, like emboss. I ended up getting the wrap top in brown as well because it's just so cute. I got a brown set, like really dark pair of yoga pants. I feel like this is by far my most favorite yoga pant that I own because it's so comfortable. The length is perfect. I did not have to alter it. It's thick and it looks so good. Like I look so good in it. And I also got like a matching like tank top along with it. I also ended up getting like this gray t-shirt because I wanted to do like a DIY, like that Paloma wool top with a lot of buttons that you can like wear and customize in different ways. So I kind of want to do that with this top, and that's also great. I got this t-shirt from H&M. Honestly, I wasn't expecting much, but the quality and fit on this is so good. It's so comfortable and it's like thick, nice thick fabric. So I'm really excited to do the DIY project on this. Baby blue is literally becoming my favorite color, and this top, I just love it. To be honest, when I saw it at first, I did not love it. And I was like, okay, whatever, because it's like super lacy. Maybe it's a little too coquette for like my style. But I like the color so much. It's from Urban Outfitters, and it's completely sheer from behind. And it's got like lining just at the bust. And otherwise, it's completely sheer. So it looks really cute when you wear it. And I just love the neckline. It's super flattering. And I've worn this a bunch of times. This Indian homegrown brand called Beagle recently sent me their fall leather skirt. The way the skirt fits on my body is absolutely stunning. I took these pictures recently and I'm obsessed. I love the detailing behind, like the little cross that it makes. Dooja, this really cool upcycling brand that I came across, sent me this tank top which has these what is this called, like studs all over. You guys know how obsessed I am with like a basic ass tank top. Like I love a tank top, and the detailing on this was just so cute, especially like a white tank. They also sent me like a matching hairband which has like stud holes all over. Elevates any basic outfit. Like it adds so much character and edge. I love it. This video would be incomplete without the mention of my favorite pair of jeans that I've been literally wearing every single day. I like these jeans so much and they're so comfy for me that I refuse to wear any other bottom, and now I literally have to force myself to be like, okay, Rohani, I cannot show up at yet another place in these pair of jeans. They are just like the perfect wide leg, mid waist, navy. Look at the color and the detailing. It has like a little like buckle detailing at the back so you can adjust and make it tight. And it's just so stunning. These are from Mango. I took these with me to London and I've worn them a lot. In this weather and heat, these are the only pair of jeans that can take me through because I like a pair of jeans that's not too tight on the waist. So it's like kind of really comfortable but not so low that you can see like my underwear. And also they're like baggy. They go with everything and just such a classic wash on them, right? Like it's blue and it's got like this whitewash detailing, but it's very subtle so you can hardly spot it. I love it. 10 on 10. This other brand called Select Staples also sent me a few pieces that I love because honestly, if Skims was in India, this brand would be it because what is this fabric? I got a few pieces from their new collection. I got this tank top. Again, so cute. I feel like such a nice statement top to wear like when it's really hot and when you don't know what to wear, when you just want to go out for a cafe or just like a chill movie situation. and you just put this on, and because the color is like kind of extra, it just like makes you pop and stand out even though you're wearing a hella comfy fit. I also ended up getting a dress in the same fabric and color, and it's like fitted from the waist and then it just flares out, and it's a maxi dress. Guys, a lot of creators online have already worn this dress. You've probably seen it, and I still wanted to shoot it because it's honestly so stunning, and it's so comfortable. I love the fabric and the color, and it's just the perfect summer dress. When I was in London, I picked up this one striped t-shirt. It's from this brand called Monkey maybe. I just love how unique this color combination is. It reminds me of Ria Kohli's brand Good Morning Loki, because they also like came out with really good shades of striped jumpers, and when I saw it I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy it because it's like this orange with lilac, which is just such a unique color combination, and I love it. I wore this on the 1st of Jan this year. I was having a really shitty time, and then I ended up wearing this top and my mood completely changed. And so now whenever I'm down, I just end up wearing this, which is why it's so worn out, because I've worn this top a lot. The next thing I got is from this brand called Brawny Mellow, which is also an Indian homegrown brand. They sent me like a few pieces, and this bralette honestly just stood out to me because I love a checkered bralette situation. It looks so cool. It fits really well, and it's just like such a nice sexy piece to layer with. I already shot it on my Instagram, so in case you want to see how I styled it, go follow. I also picked up this pair of green cycling shorts, and I have like a Adidas sports bra in the exact same color, so I thought it'd be a really cute workout set. I love it, extremely comfortable, not tight from the waist or the thighs. It's just like a good set to work out in, and this is from Primark. So the brand that I was talking about, Select Staples, I ended up getting a skirt as well from them. It's like a brown maxi skirt in that same fabric that is so stunning. I honestly bought it to pair it with this top that they have. I just love the neckline on this top because it's like off shoulder from like one side, and it snatches you. The color is fab. So I decided that I'm going to pair this with the skirt. But when I put it on, I felt like it was just not working on my body type. Everything looked like too covered. There was no break in the outfit. Even with the belt, I feel like it could work. But this top with like a mini skirt looked so cute. So I'm going to style it in that way. I also got this top from Diesel. She's so stunning. I've always wanted a top exactly like this, and I just love the textured knit, two tones happening. I think that looks so cool. I recently paired it with this skirt, asymmetrical skirt from Revolve. It's really easy to style this, so even with like my mango pair of like blue jeans, you guys can probably already tell, but I'm kind of been obsessed with brown, this chocolate shade of brown. I also got these pair of pants from Evie Rose, and it comes with a matching top. I just love, it's like a halter neck top. I love that I have so many brown pieces in the exact same shade, so now I can pair them with each other and just have fun styling it. And it's just so easy and it looks like so chic. I also got this really cute lingerie set from Primark actually. I cannot find the top right now, but it's like a matching bra, and honestly it's just so cute, and I feel like such a baddie wearing it. The color, I think pink and brown, I'm obsessed. Now let's talk bags. So I got a bunch of really cool bags that I've been using non-stop since I've come back, starting with this one from Mango. I love the stud detailing. I love the color because you know those accessories that are just like a pop in your outfit and it elevates your entire fit instantly. I feel like this bag is it. It's just got like a metal closure, but it's quite deep. It fits a bunch of things. So I use it. I put like my journal inside. I take it for Pilates. I go take it out while I'm going for the movie, when I'm going out for coffee, whatever. Like this is my go-to everyday bag. Then at Bicester, I ended up getting my first Vivienne Westwood, and honestly, I went there to buy something for my best friend, but I could not reach her, and I saw this bag and it was just so stunning, and I felt like it really reminded me of my style maybe a year or two ago. Like I just feel like it fits so well with my aesthetic. Like this bag was screaming me. It's like a bottle green color, but it's so dark that it almost just looks black, and it's got like crocodile print, and I just love how stunning it is. Also, this bag fits so much. I've been taking it everywhere, and it just like chef's kiss. Okay guys, before I reveal the next bag, this is probably the coolest thing that I have ever thrifted. A navy Miu Miu wristlet. I think from 2005 or 6. But what the fuck? Like the timing of me finding a navy wristlet in 2025 and it's authentic and it's Miu Miu. When I was in London, one day we'd gone to Notting Hill and Notting Hill has like a Portobello market, which is like they have a lot of like thrifted and vintage stuff. So I ended up finding a lady over there who was selling a lot of like luxury items. My dad like bargained with her and she was so sweet that she ended up giving me this bag. I cannot even tell you for how much I thrifted this because that would be hella cocky because let's just say I got a pretty good deal, literally a steal. If you've seen my spring summer video, the belts are huge this year. So I went a little crazy buying belts at Primark. I got this thick ass like classic belt. It's such a nice like statement belt. Love it. Then I also ended up getting some skinny belts because skinny belts are huge. This red one though is my favorite without a doubt because it's got fur detailing on it. And I feel like just fur detailing on things and accessories, it's so chic, it's so unique. I also got a skinny brown belt. I just got like a silver and golden. I haven't even opened this yet. Belt that I thought I might need for like, certain fits to style. So yeah. Okay, two books that I have bought recently and I have loved. The first one is Good Material by Dolly Alderton. And I am literally, I think, on the last like 10 pages. This book was such an easy and effortless read for me. I love Dolly's previous book, Everything That I Know About Love, which is all about friendship, love. And that's literally an autobiography because it's based on her personal life. But this book is just, it's fiction, but it's so well written. And I feel like her books are so easy for me to read. And I really enjoy reading them. I've been reading them at night before sleeping. Then, of course, I got Buy Yourself the Damn Flowers by Dan Kaur. And this book is just as helpful as she is and just as valuable. I also got this cap from London and it's just like a brown cap. It's pretty cute. It goes with most of my outfits. I got these sunglasses, like a classic oval tortoise print glass sunglasses. These are from H&M. I feel like this is the kind of shape that will look good on everybody. Whenever somebody asks me what shape they should buy, I say this because this is a classic, safe pair of sunglasses to wear. I also got these black sunnies from Mango a while back. And they're like kind of similar. These are just like wider and a little more rectangular than those. But I like both of them. I also picked up my favorite. I feel like this is kind of like my signature scent, Givenchy's Gentleman EDT. It's like I think the most basic fragrance, but it just smells so good. This is one of the sexiest fragrances ever. So I just restocked on it because I was out of it. Let me just smell it. I don't know, there's just something about this smell. I also feel like hella nostalgic when I smell it because I used to use it, I think, like 2 or 3 years ago. So it just straight up reminds me of that era, but not in a depressing way. So we move. I also bought a bunch of makeup products recently. Of course, I had to get the Refi Lip Sculpt. The coolest part about this is that it has a lip primer inside. How cool is that? So you prime your lips. I love the packaging and the ease of convenience. I feel like my favorite part about new celebrity or influencer brands is that they put so much time in packaging and like making the product in a way where using it is extremely easy and efficient and does the job. Like I got it in rosewood because I don't have any like pink liners, and I got a matching lip tinted gloss in rosewood. Again, this is just so stunning. I love the metal detailing on the applicator. I also bought two lipsticks from Hourglass, and honestly, they are 100% worth the hype. I have never applied a lipstick as minty and as balm like a gloss that is actually like a lip balm because it's so nourishing and hydrating as this. And I got it in like a nude shade. I have a video on Instagram actually where I talk about my favorite lip combos. And I also restocked on this Dior Gloss Lip Maximizer in 020 because this is my favorite Dior gloss of all time. It's literally the best brown cool tone gloss that I've ever used, and it makes my lips look like I've gotten lip fillers. I also picked up Rhode's new blush in what is this? Sleepy Girl, um mauvish shade, and I love it because it looks really natural. I feel like this is the creamiest blush I have ever used. It is so easy to apply. Again, packaging 10 on 10. I don't know where it is right now, but I also got the cinnamon lip balm, which is again, it smells divine. It smells like I could eat up the whole tube. Lastly, I got this phone cover which has a leopard print, I think a cheetah print with like cherries on top. This is also from Primark, and this is unlike me to use like a cover this crazy. I felt like it was in theme for a new year and a brand new me. One of my favorite brands on Instagram. They make the best clothing at such good prices. I love the founder Komal. The brand's called The Roke. She sent me a huge PR box with some amazing items, starting with this green velvet bralette, which I feel like I can wear as a top or as a blouse of a top, and it looks so hot. She sent me some gingham printed um bralette with like a matching boxy skirt. Wait till you see the silhouette of that skirt. A red sari. She also sent me a white sari with the matching corset, and I just love how cool this blouse is. First of all, it's red, so it's already pretty statement, but I just love the flower detailing because it just looks so iconic. If you guys want to see how I end up styling all these pieces, because I will be styling all of them, and everything will is linked on my Instagram. You guys can go have a look, follow me over there. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul. I really like making it. I'll see you guys in the next one.